What is a sales pitch? When most people hear the term sales pitch, they imagine a room full of potential clients and a salesperson or sales team going through a slideshow or demonstration, like Shark Tank or Dragon's Den. In fact, most salespeople go through their sales pitch frequently, even on a daily basis. Every time you talk about your product or your company to a prospect, customer, or even a potential investor, that's a sales pitch. Whether you're on a cold call at a business mixer or just reaching out via email or social media. The focus of your sales pitch script shouldn't be about your product features or your service capabilities. Instead, it should cover the critical challenges you solve for your customers. You need to figure out their pain points and then tailor your sales pitch to show how you can help alleviate it. To find out more and read a guide on perfecting your sales pitch, click on the link at the end of the video.